Might be hard to see on camera, but you can see the green there. See how it glows? 01 F250. We're gonna put the AC kit, compressor, dryer, and the orifice tube. All right, we got it out. 4 bolts here. There were 10 millimeter, bolt in the back 10 millimeter. Might be hard to see on camera, but you can see the green there. See how it glows? I unplugged the sensor. We're gonna pop this off with a tool, unbolt this. 8 millimeter here. I think there's an 8 millimeter on the other side, maybe. Yeah, 8 millimeter on both sides. 13 here. We'll take this out. Orifice tube is in here. We'll get that out, changed out. Got this one out. It was the 2/8 here. It was missing this one. Unplug the sensor. This one here. I used a 1 1/8 if I'm not mistaken, and just some pliers. These don't go too tight. And this was a 13. We'll transfer this to the new one. And here's the orifice tube. I'll put the new orifice tube and then we'll put on the new dryer. We got it done. Gonna vacuum it and recharge it. Should be good to go. Compressor here, 10 millimeters. This one, the 2/8 in the back, 13 here to change the dryer. And then here, the orifice tube is in here. You just need one of those AC line tools. Pull it out, put it back in. Transfer everything over, put new O-rings, put oil on the O-rings so that nothing gets torn. Should be good.